It is not looking too hot. Just had to pull into a parking lot. Got a drivetrain malfunction, but this time the car repeatedly shut itself off and locked the steering on me while I was driving. So we are waiting for the tow truck and we gotta get it towed.
Just want to go ahead and give you an update, let you know the high pressure fuel pump on bank 2 appears to have failed. Did notice that your brake fluid reservoir was low.
Okay, so I just actually got word from the dealership the car's done. They did multiple tests, engine tests, driving tests, hot engine, cool engine, everything like that. And they said the car is running great. They fixed the issues. They replaced the high oil pressure pump. Essentially, the car is ready. So I'm gonna go pick it up right now. Ooh, I get my baby back. Let's go. Go to pick her up, man. Let's go. All right, as you can see, I just pulled up. It's time to get out, head to service, look for the guy that I need to talk to, and pick up the car. Simple as that. Got the paperwork all signed. He's pulling the car out front, and we're free to go. Oh, is this it? Hey. I got you. I'll see you. Oh, does it feel good to be back in a fixed car, man? What do you say we get rolling, huh? Oh, yeah, we're back. Oh, yeah, baby, let's... Oh, man, does it feel good to be back in this car. I'll tell you what. Yo, my man in the transit van cutting up. Oh, he getting loose in the transit. Telling me to cry about it. Buddy telling me to cry about it. Mother doing a Tacoma. Am I crying about? Finally got her back and in the driveway again. If you guys did go on to enjoy this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.